Question number 166. Ostracium is a chemoreceptor found in members of phylum, and the options are Mollusca, Echinodermata, Coelenterata, and Arthropoda. And as it is a direct question, the correct answer to this question is option number 1, Mollusca. Ostracium characteristically present in mollusks and act as chemoreceptors. Let's discuss rest of the options. Echinodermata, this is an incorrect option. Echinoderms are spiny skinned animals and they lack ostracium. Coelenterata is an incorrect option. Coelenterates lack ostracium, and the last option is Arthropoda, and this is also an incorrect option. Arthropods are devoid of ostracium. Ostracium is characteristically present in mantle cavity of mollusks and serves to test the chemical nature of water. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 167. National terrestrial animal of India is A, whereas B is considered as National Bird of India. Fill above blanks A and B with correct option given below. And we know that the National Terrestrial Animal of India, A, is tiger, and B, National Bird of India, is peacock. Now let's discuss the options. The very first option given is Panthera tigris and Psittacula, and this is an incorrect option. Psittacula is commonly known as parrot and it is not a national bird of India. The next option is Panthera leo and Pavo cristatus, and this is an incorrect option because it is not lion but tiger, which is a national terrestrial animal of India. Panthera leo is lion, whereas tiger is Panthera tigris, and peacock is Pavo cristatus. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3, Panthera tigris and Pavo cristatus. The last option is Macropus and Neophron, and this is an incorrect option. Macropus, which is commonly known as kangaroo, belongs to the class Mammalia, and Nephron, which is commonly known as vulture, is an incorrect option. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 168. How many spiracles are present in Periplaneta americana, which is commonly known as cockroach? There are total 10 pairs of spiracles, 2 in thoracic segments and 8 in abdominal segments. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3, 20. 10 pairs or 20 in numbers. The very first option is 10 is incorrect. The spiracles are 10 pairs and not 10 in number. The next option is 5 pairs and 20 pairs, and these are the incorrect options. So the correct answer is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 169. Select the correct match, and the very first match given is earthworm, pharyngeal nephridia, respiratory as well as excretory organ. And as it is an incorrect match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because pharyngeal nephridia in earthworm or Pheretima helps in excretion only. They have no role to play in respiration. The next match given is female cockroach, titillator, and accessory reproductive glands. And as it is an incorrect match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because titillator is a structure which is present only in male cockroach and not in female cockroach, and it helps in copulation. The next option given is beta operculum, present on either side to cover 4 pairs of gills, and as it is a correct match, so this is a correct answer to our question, because beta, which is commonly known as fighting fish, it's a bony fish. So operculum is present in bony fish on each side to cover 4 pairs of gills. The last match given is Ascaris, penial setae, help in locomotion in male. And as it is an incorrect match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Ascaris, which belongs to the phylum Eschyhelminthes, in them penial setae are present in males for copulation. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 170. When all the four stages of embryonic development, such as egg, larva, pupa, adult, occurs in an arthropod, then such type of metamorphosis is known as. And the options are porometabolous, holometabolous, ametabolous, and hemimetabolous. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Holometabolous is complete metamorphosis, in which life history includes egg, larva, pupa, adult, such as in silkworm. Or another example is given here in mosquito, adult followed by formation of egg, followed by larva, followed by pupa. Conversion of larva in pupa is known as pupation, and this is followed by adult stage, and this is known as holometabolous development. Let's discuss rest of the options. The very first option is porometabolous, and this is an incorrect option. Porometabolous or gradual metamorphosis occurs in cockroach, and the life history includes egg, then nymph or young one, followed by adult or imago. The next option given is ametabolous, and this is an incorrect option because ametabolous is a type of metamorphosis in which insects do not undergo metamorphosis. For example, silverfish. The last option given is hemimetabolous, and this is an incorrect option. Hemimetabolous is incomplete metamorphosis. And the life history includes adult, young, and larva only. And this larva then forms adult. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question.